Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use dried lion's mane. First, understand that dried lion's mane is a powerful ingredient, offering both culinary delight and potential health benefits. It's a fantastic addition to your diet, known for supporting brain health and nerve function. We'll cover how to rehydrate it properly, ensuring you get the most out of its unique texture and mild, savory flavor. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this incredible mushroom. Rehydrating dried lion's mane is a simple yet crucial step. Place the dried pieces in a bowl and cover them with warm water. Let them soak for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they become soft and pliable. You'll notice them expanding considerably, often 2 to 3 times their original size. Once rehydrated, drain the water and gently squeeze out any excess liquid to prepare them for your favorite recipes. Once rehydrated, lion's mane is ready for cooking. It has a delicate, slightly seafood-like flavor that pairs wonderfully with many dishes. Try sautéing it with a bit of butter or olive oil, garlic, and herbs for a simple yet elegant side. You can also incorporate it into soups, stews, or stir-fries to boost both flavor and nutritional content. For powdered forms, a typical daily serving is 1 to 3 grams. To ensure your dried lion's mane stays fresh and potent, proper storage is key. Keep it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture. A cool, dark pantry is ideal. Stored correctly, dried lion's mane can maintain its quality for well over 1 year, ready whenever you need it. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.